Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can launch the game and then check. Do not ignore this step. Restart your computer once. Next step is to run gaming services repair tool. Now for this you can click on your profile icon, go to support option, click on gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. The repair will take some time, and once this is complete you can launch the game and then check. Now once done, you can close this and then relaunch the game and then check. You can even run gaming services repair tool from the website. So you can go to Microsoft, you can type in gaming services repair tool, go to the official Xbox support Microsoft website, and on this page you will see downloadable version. So scroll down and then click on downloadable version over here. So click on this and then scroll down and then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and let the repair complete. Once the repair is complete, you will see completed successfully over here. And once it is completed successfully like this, now you can relaunch Xbox app and then relaunch the game. Next step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. Now for this, make a right click on the game, manage, or you can click on these three dots and then go to manage and then go to files, browse, and then open the game folder over here, content folder, and over here you will see the game exe file. You can just make a double click and then you can launch the game from here and then check. You can even use game launcher helper, make a right click, and you can even run as run as administrator. You can try this, click on yes, and then you can check. Still not working, and then now the next step is to verify and repair. Now for this you can click on the three dots, manage, and then go to files and then click on verify and repair, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, and once the repair is complete, relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to create desktop shortcut and launch the game using the desktop shortcut. Now for this you can go to Xbox app once again click on these three dots over here, and in my case it's repairing right now. Now click on these three dots, click on manage, and then under general click on create desktop shortcut, and then now you can go to desktop. You will see the shortcut over here. You can make a right click, you can just make a double click over here and then try to launch the game using the shortcut and then check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset the game. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to apps, go to install apps or apps and feature, and then find the game in the list. So scroll down and find the game, or you can simply search over here the name of the game, and then you can click on these three dots. This is from Steam. Yeah, click over here, advanced option, scroll down and then click on terminate first and then click on repair, and once the repair is done you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. You can reset. Now once the reset is done, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So close Xbox app and then you have to relaunch Xbox app and then you have to relaunch the game and then check. Now you can try to relaunch the game from here and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install VP9 video extension. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on install, click on open Microsoft Store, and over here you will see install option. Install it, and once installed, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to, if you're using this Process Lasso application, set everything to default and close Process Lasso. This is also causing problem. Now if you're using NVIDIA Profile Inspector, then you can restore everything to default and then relaunch the game. Now you can turn off Resizable Base Address Register, that is bar, in system BIOS. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. And once you're done playing the game, you can enable it once again. Now if you're not used to making changes in the BIOS, contact your PC manufacturer, because incorrect changes may cause no boot issue or other issues with your computer. So you can do it at your own risk. So to turn off this resizable bar, you have to go to the system BIOS. To go to the system BIOS, you can go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Over here you can see Advanced Startup, then click on Restart Now. Now once the computer restarts, you will see this screen. Now you have to click on Troubleshoot over here and then go to Advanced option and then go to UEFI firmware settings, and this will take you to the system BIOS. Once you are in the system BIOS, in my case it's in Performance tab, and then over here you can see this option which says Resizable Base Address Register, that is bar. If this is on, you can turn it off, click on confirm the changes and then hit apply changes. And once the changes are applied, at the bottom right you will see the exit option. The system will restart, login, and then you can relaunch the game. And once you are done playing the game, you can enable it once again in the system BIOS and then check. Still not working, update the BIOS. Now go to your system manufacturer websites. Suppose your computer is like Dell computer, you can go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo. Whichever brand you have, go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, make sure that you select your computer, and then find the BIOS in drivers page. And before you update the system BIOS, in case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to Windows Update or Update in Security and then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64 file. You have to download both the files. So click on it, run this exe file, click on Yes to allow. Click on repair. If you see repair, if you see the install button, hit install. Download this x64 file as well. Again, run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. And let the installation complete. Once both are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, launch the game. Still not working. The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. If you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. And then select your graphic card in the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card. Select your graphic card over here and then select your operating system and then click on Find. Now on this page, you will see the latest graphic card driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on View and then click on Download over here. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and then click on Yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on Agree and Continue. Select Custom option and then click on Next, and then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation over here, and then click on Next. After the clean installation is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. Run the game on the dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings, and then click on click on Add Microsoft Store app, and then you will see the game in the list. Find the game. So once you find the game, click on the game over here, and once the game is added, scroll down, find the game. Once the game is added, click on the game, and then over here select High Performance. You will see your graphic card. Now relaunch the game. Disable integrated graphic card. So if your computer has a dual graphic card, make a right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager. In my case, expand display adapter over here, and then in my case it's Intel integrated graphic card. So make a right click and then you can disable device, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Now once you're done playing the game, make a right click and enable the device once again. Now the next step is to roll back graphics driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, once you select your graphic card and your operating system, click on View More Version over here, and then maybe you can try the previous graphic card drivers, older one. And when you go for installation, make sure that you put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation, and then click on Next, and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to create a new admin local user account. This has also worked for me. So you can go to Accounts and then go to Other Users and then click on Add Account, and then you can create a username. So click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click over here. And then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. You can create a username. This is just an example. Keep it simple. Do not put any space or any special character over here. And then if you want a password, enter the password. If you don't want, leave it blank. Next. And once the new account is created, click on change account type and then set it to administrator over here. Click on OK. Now restart your computer or log out and log into the new account. You have to log into the new account and then you have to install the game and then relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to try launching the game from NVIDIA app. So if you have NVIDIA app card, if you have NVIDIA card, open NVIDIA app, or you can, if you don't have NVIDIA app, install NVIDIA app and then you can select, you can click on play over here. Try to launch the game from here and then check. If that does not work, click on settings over here and select the game over here, or you can go to graphics and then you can select the game over here. And on the right hand side you will see optimize option. In my case I don't see it, but I'll show you a different application. Select Ninja Gaiden 4 and if you see optimize option, hit optimize and then you have to relaunch the game and then check. Now if it is already optimized, in that case you can revert the optimization and then you can close NVIDIA app and then check. Also you can turn off this NVIDIA overlay over here and then close NVIDIA app and then relaunch the game. Now the next step is to try debug mode. Now for this, make a right click on the desktop, show more option and then click on NVIDIA control panel. Now once the NVIDIA control panel is open, go to help option at the top and put a check on debug mode. So if this is unchecked, put a check over here. Once you have a check on debug mode, now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, restore, launch the game and then check. If that does not work, restore the NVIDIA control panel settings. Now for this, you can go to manage 3D settings, go to global settings and then click on restore over here. Click on yes. At the bottom right, you will see apply option, hit apply and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Intel driver and support assistant to update your drivers. Now for this, you can go to Intel website, go to the official Intel driver and support assistant website, click on download. On this page, install it. You have to install it and then you have to launch Intel driver and support assistant. This will scan your system. If there is any update, you will see download all option and then once the download is complete, you will see install all. Click on install all, follow the on-screen instruction, let everything install. Once installed, you have to restart your computer and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to power options. Now over here, if you see power saver option like this, you can select power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even go for balanced or high performance. Check which one is working fine for you. Next step is to disable or enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings. Now over here, click on advanced graphics settings. If hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, if this is off, turn it on and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. If this is already on, you can turn it off, relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings over here. And then under Advanced, click on Settings, the first setting, and then click on Advanced tab and then click on Change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select custom size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes. So you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back the settings. So do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024. That is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5, that is 24576. For maximum size it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024, in my case 16384 megabyte, then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important. Make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in View Advanced System Settings again and then click on View Advanced System Settings. Go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change and then select system manage size this time and then click on set. Set is important. Click on OK. Click on OK over here. Hit apply. Click on OK. OK. You will see restart option. Restart your computer and then check. Still not working. We will revert to default. So you can type in View Advanced System Settings once again. Settings, Advanced, change, and put a check on this box and then hit apply. Click on OK. Follow the next step. Now the next step is to unplug all the external devices. Like if you have these devices like any kind of USB adapter, USB flash drive, like thumb drive connected, disconnect external monitor. Like if you have Keychron or Razer Huntsman keyboard, unplug it. If you have HOTAS, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter. If you have sometimes we have extra controller dongle connected, disconnect it. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, close it. Close all the third-party services and application. Close all the overlay application. Like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have NVIDIA app running, go to NVIDIA app settings, turn off NVIDIA overlay and close all the overlay application and then check. Do not overclock. If you overclock, set it to default. Close all the overclocking application. Like if you have MSI Afterburner, ReverTuner running or any kind of overclocking application running on your computer, just close it and then relaunch the game. Close any kind of online storage application. Like if you have OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. running, close it. If you're using OneDrive, make sure that you're logged in. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, click on system configuration, go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, hit apply, click on OK, restart your computer and then launch the game. If you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then check. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and then go to downloads and over here click on check for update and then click on update all. Once everything is updated over here, now relaunch the game. Next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. This process will take some time and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color like this, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red. Once that is done, you have to relaunch Xbox app. Close it and relaunch Xbox app and then relaunch the game. Next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download and then click on open Microsoft Store. If it is not installed, you will see install button or get option. In my case, it is already installed. Still not working, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Now for this, you can copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. And once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store, click on get option, or if you see install option, hit install, click on yes to allow and let the gaming services be installed. Make sure this is installed first. If you face any trouble installing it, you can restart your computer and then you can run the commands once again and then install gaming services. And once the gaming services is installed, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So you have to close Xbox app first, exit, and then you have to open Xbox app once again once the gaming services is installed 100%, and then you can relaunch the game. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive and then check. So open Xbox app and then go to settings over here. So click on a profile icon and then go to settings, go to install option. Now if the game is installed to C drive, first of all, uninstall the game. You have to uninstall the game, make a right click, and then you will see the uninstall option. You can uninstall from here, or you can just click on the game over here and then click on these three dots and then click on uninstall. After the uninstall, you can go to the settings, install option, and if the game was installed to C drive, then you can try to install the game to different drive. If you have any other drive, you can try to install the game to other drive and then check. If the game is already installed to other drive, then you can select C drive over here, try to install the game to C drive and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.